morning, guys. April 3rd, 2018. This one here, I got a call for a customer of mine. He says his burner's been tripping out every four days or so. And he goes over there and hit the reset, and he's got to hit it like 4 or 5 times before the thing starts. So, I've been over there recently. I think I changed the transformer. But it sounds to me like the main control's bad. You got to hit the reset, you know, 4 or 5 times before the thing will come on. Like, I mean, he has to keep hitting the button and nothing happens. So we'll go over there and we'll check it out. It's got an old D control on it, on the front of the thing, with the protector relay inside the D control, inside the main operating control. Kind of an older unit. So try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright guys, we're here to look at this oil burner. I've been here before. I think I just changed this transformer. You see it's cleaning about it, tripping out every so often. We're gonna check it out. Motor looks new. Back control there. Kind of a bad CAD cell too. Could be that. Get my meter. See, this low limit should run the burner. See how it's hesitating? It's a bad control. See how it dropped out? That's a D control. See the relay in there? See it? I got it turned up. It's not kicking in. Bad relay. You can hear it click. It's not pulling in. He's got a bad relay there. The only thing that would hold that from popping out would be the CAD cell. We'll try changing the CAD cell. CAD saw right there. That might be questionable. Checking the ohms here. Okay, so should be fine. See, it should be kicking in and it's not. Yeah, relay's not kicking in. Got a bad control there. Real bad control. Try changing up the CAD cell. That could stop it from kicking in, you know, the CAD's so bad. I doubt that's what it is, but no, it's the controls bad. Well, can I help you?
Your business name, address, and phone number have been flagged by local maps verification. Press 1 to verify your business name, address, and phone number now, or press 2 to cancel this verification notice.
He's got a bad control here. It's not kicking in. See it? The relay's not kicking in. Yeah. It should be kicking in and it's not. So he's got a bad control here. See it? I can do it manually. And then it stays in. See it? So that's why he's gonna have to get another control for this. I gotta call this guy, let him know. He ain't gonna want to spend the money, but he ain't got much of a choice. Wants his burner working. Alright, get it off the. I'm gonna change this control out. Got another one in the truck, a used one. I'll use that. Try to save him a couple of bucks. L1, L2. There's the power coming in. Get it off there. That's going to be a different, I'm changing a different type of control in here. Going to be different. V1, V2. V1, V2 is going to go down. This yellow wire is no longer going to be used. We're going to put the control on the side here. We'll put this bracket on the side and put a control here, protect the relay. This yellow one's going to no longer be used. That's gonna catch the protector relay. Alright guys, I got a better connector here for it. I don't have this control on the truck, so I change it out, put a different one on there. And try to get the probe in as far as you can. Fine. L1, L2's right there. And the power in L1, L2. Like I said, this is a used control out of the truck, but I'll give him a break on it. An old boiler here, old building. No spring chicken here, Mama. So we'll give him a break on it. I'll put a used one in there for him. Save him a couple of bucks. As long as it works, right? When I take boilers out and the controls are still good, I'll save them for a job like this. And it's an old boiler. Why would you want to put a new control on something like this? I mean, I'll put a new protector relay, but this should be fine. If it don't work, I'll put a new one in, but it should be fine. And then the TT goes over here. Another one we have to hook up is the burner. B1 and B2. There's B2. There's B1. Alright, B1 and B2. We'll just have to hook up the protector relay. Alright, so we got the transformer. And we got the motor. The other one was a little bit on the short side, so we'll just put a longer one in there. Okay. I'm going to put a protector relay over here. Which was... So power comes in on black, right, to black. And then common, one of the legs for the transformer, the common for the motor, and the common for the protector relay, all go on this common. The commons go together. Common for the common for the transformer's black. Alright, and then off the orange will be the transformer leg and the motor leg. Right. The only thing we have to put in is the okay. To jump this TT out over here from this control because I'm not using it. I gotta jump it out. Alright, so that should do it. I got the new CAD cell that goes into the protector relay. Jumped out the TT. L1, L2 is coming into the control here. I got the TT that's going to be operating that control there. And I'm just using the burner circuit here. So it should fire right up. Oh, that's the low limit. I'm going to turn that low limit down. You got the high limit just to see how it works. You know, when you turn this up, the low limit, it'll kick on. So right now we're going to turn it. We're going to leave it at say 120, and the high limit probably at 200. When that zone calls, she'll kick in. To set up now when any of these zones call, you'll kick that relay in and fire the burner. I was working the other one off the low limit, but I left the low limit like at 120, which is enough. There's no domestic hot water on this. I could have put a cold start control on there, but that'll be fine. Alright, so main operating control, new protector relay, and CAD cell complete. So I am going to sell them a used control, because that new control is like $275. So I could probably sell them that one pretty relatively reasonable. And it's a good control. You don't have to get full price for this protector relay and the CAD cell, but that's a better way of doing it right there. There's no sense in me buying that D control, running out and getting one of those. I don't know if they even have them anymore at the supply house. This is an easier, better way of doing it actually.